TB remains a significant public health challenge in the Philippines. However, through early detection and timely treatment, we can save lives. Today, we are proud to support this program by providing our imaging technology for TB screening.
DILG Las Piñas Director Patrick Chan Mejia.
Ang TB People Philippines ay accredited CSO representative ng ating local health board po dito sa Las Piñas. No? Gusto nilang mag-offer ng tulong. Kagaya po nito, yung community-led screening bilang part ng kanilang advocacy.
Mr. Owen Joseph Panilio Alcala.
On behalf of Congressman Mark Anthony Santos, from nasa top 3 na tayo ngayon baka pwede mag-slide down tayo to the lowest level na merong TB.
Doc Maylene Ko, on behalf of the City Health Office. Convenient, no? May screening na tayo, hindi na tayo pupunta pa ng ospital. Ito, nilalapitan na tayo. Tapos, maganda pa yung technology. Tapos, collaborated ng maraming ahensya. Mr. Dennis Robert Reyes.
SM Center Las Piñas team, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the TB People Philippines for their invaluable partnership with SM Supermalls in advancing the fight against tuberculosis.
From City Health of Muntinlupa, headed by Dr. Leonor Tubon, our Love Yourself Yosa, our HIV group.
Meron po kami mga booth dito sa May Vista Mall. May free HIV testing din po doon.
From United Artists of Las Piñas,
Tola Angin, our commercial partner.
Inuubo na, nangihina tuwing hapon, nilalag na tuwing hapon, nahihiya na magpakonsulta